Imagine you're working on a website and encounter a tricky problem along the way. The issue lies in configuring SEO-friendly URLs using an htaccess file for a multilingual site. The current setup is close to what you need, but there's a crucial aspect missing that's causing a bit of a headache. Let's dive into this interesting problem and explore a solution together. The provided solution offers a refined approach to address the specific requirements you have for your website's URLs. By making adjustments to the existing htaccess rules, you can achieve the desired structure. The key modifications include handling HTTP to HTTPS redirects, adding trailing slashes, setting a default homepage with the English language, and appropriately structuring language-specific URLs. This refined setup ensures a seamless user experience and enhances the site's SEO performance. In summary, tackling the complexities of configuring SEO-friendly URLs for a multilingual website can be a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. By implementing the suggested adjustments to the htaccess file, you can effectively optimize your site's URL structure while catering to different language preferences. Remember, attention to detail and continuous refinement are essential in achieving a well-structured and user-friendly website. It's been a pleasure exploring this solution with you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other quirky observations. Happy optimizing!